Media information literacy training launched across Balochistan University at Quetta. Details are that in capital of Balochistan, Quetta, more than 500 teachers and students across Balochistan will receive training in media information literacy (MIL) under a new initiative launched by Individual Land Pakistan with the support of European Union Pakistan. The 3-day training program workshop held in Quetta from October 28 to 30, 2025 aimed to equip participants with the skills to identify misinformation, counter false narratives, and promote critical thinking among youth. The event was inaugurated by Government Balochistan Sheikh Jafar Khan Mandukhel, who said that the pop culture emerging in politics and media can only be countered through media information literacy. He expressed satisfaction that the initiative had begun in universities and assured full support for its promotion. The closing ceremony was attended by Chief Minister Mir Sarfraz Bugti as the chief guest. He termed media literacy essential for youth, announcing that the provincial government would include in the youth engagement plan to expand the program to every district of the province. Saifullah Khoso, Program Manager of Individual Land Pakistan, said the organization aimed to turn media information literacy into a national movement starting from classrooms and extending into communities. Through our learning and digital tools, we want to develop informed, responsible and critical-minded citizen. He said. A professor from Makran University, Panjgud, described the training as new yet highly beneficial, noting the participant learned both media literacy and modern learning techniques. Encouragement from the government and Chief Minister has motivated us to continue this work. He added, over 30 faculty members from Lasbela University, University of Gwadar, University of Turbat, Mir Chakar Khan Rind University Sibbi, Makran University Panjgur, University of Loralai, Bhams Quetta, SBK Women's University Quetta and Bottoms attend the session. Training sessions were conducted by Program Manager of Individual Land Pakistan Saifullah Khoso, Trainer Mashood Ali, RTI Commissioner Quetta Abdul Shakur and Senior Journalist Sayyid Ali Shah. Participants termed an initiative a significant step towards promoting responsible media use, fact-checking and digital resilience among the youth of Balochistan.